Do you like comics and hate cancer? Well, me too. So come kick it and watch me unbox this package, and let's learn more about how we can help support and kick cancer's ass. What is up, all my beautiful legends? I hope you guys are having a great week and happy Wednesday. As you saw by the intro, the title, and the thumbnail, you heard it here. This is a C3 Comics Curing Cancer unboxing. Now you might ask yourself, if you're not from the comic book community, what is Comics Curing Cancer? What is C3? Well, don't worry. As we unbox this, we will get into all the descriptions and how you can get involved and help support in any way. But always remember to like, share, subscribe to help keep that eternal YouTube algorithm. But we're just going to take a second. I'm going to take a second because I already know what's in here and I'm very excited. But I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about the event. So make sure you hit the description. Anything is associated with this event, it's not put on by me. It is put on by the fabulous gentleman, the three-headed monster, DJ Links, Rob Fatstacks, and Mark over at Legion of Comics. So they put on this event, and it is an official sponsor of the American Cancer Society. Last year, their goal was, what was the goal? Was it 25,000? I think it was 25,000 was the goal. But they raised, I think it was just under 52,000 was the total goal. I was on Mark's Friday hangout where we were just kind of hanging out. We had a whole bunch of mystery boxes. I sold a few things, but like at the end of the day, it's a bunch of YouTube live streams. We have donations from all kinds of creators and people across the comic book industry, and it all goes towards the American Cancer Society. There's some fun things like people shaving their head, people shaving their eyebrows, and Tyler getting that tattoo of the logo. But yeah, so it's just really great to be a part of it. And at the end of the day, those three dudes put in so much time and effort and everything around this event. It's just very humbling to just be in the comic book community and see what happens when a lot of different minds come together and have one huge voice. So as a lot of you know, a lot of us are going to Heroes Con Charlotte. It's in June 14th through the 16th. I'll put up a little banner right there. But they actually have a booth there, and that's what this is from. This is actually a print from the man, you might be able to see it, Austin LeMay. So this was actually at King Con. You saw me rocking the shirt the other day, and DJ Links had a booth there, and he was talking about C3. He had a nice little booth, swag, stickers, the whole 9 yards. So I'm very excited to actually be able to see that in person. So let's get into this, and I am going to leave the link down. I think it's DJ Link's Cartel Shop is what it's on, and there's another little thing. We'll get to that in a second. But I think at the time of recording this, I think there's a few left. I'm not sure how many. I know there a couple of days ago there was like a handful left. So I'll still leave the link there, and then anything from that site, it all goes to the American Cancer Foundation, and then at the end of the day, you get involved with the C3 events. But basically, it's just, I'm trying to talk about it now. I've been promoting it on my live stream, and just at the end of the day, just share the word out. Share the Instagram links, share anything you see. If you see this video, just share it out, and it can only get bigger and better. So, at the end of the day, cancer is the biggest supervillain, as Rob likes to say, and he's correct. I lost both my grandparents to lung cancer, and I actually smoked cigarettes for, I'm 34 now, and I smoked cigarettes from when I was like 15 or 16, all the way up until I was like 25 or 26, and it was like 2 packs a day once I hit like my late teens, and I didn't want to end up like that, so I'm not promoting this, but I stopped smoking cigarettes to vape. I still need my nicotine. At the end of the day, as long as you don't do something, it's better than nothing. But yeah, vaping definitely kind of made me more healthy in terms of not smoking cigarettes, and we don't know the science behind vaping, but I know I definitely feel a lot better. My lungs, I don't have the scarring in my lungs, my food's different, and just basically didn't want to go down. So anytime there's anything involved with cancer, I know it can resonate a lot with a lot of us, and it's just really humbling to help them. So make sure you guys just share it out. If you can't donate money, it doesn't really matter, but sharing is always the biggest thing. So let's see this for the first time in person, because I know a lot of other people have got theirs, and then I finally got mine. So this is dope. Let's see. Let's get this. I think we're limited to 50. I'm not sure. Here, it's in the top loader. So I'm not sure how well. Hopefully that doesn't. I will pop up a picture as well over here if it's really glary. But that's just so dope. So you can get the QR code, official campaign of the American Cancer Society. I love his rendition of Spider-Man with the Cancer Society purple little heart around it. But that's sick. So I'm thinking, I'm not sure, like I said, I don't think this was, I think they all have the number 1. But yeah, man, these are sick. Nice, man. Like I said, this is the first time I've seen this in person. So I'm just really kind of taking it in. I'm a big fanboy of Austin, you know, he's a great community artist. So, like I said, big shout out to them, big shout out to all the boys, DJ, Austin for doing this, Rob and Mark, you guys are absolute legends, the biggest legends I know. So make sure you hit the description and make sure you just follow them on Instagram, Comics Curing Cancer C3, to keep up to date with any information, any upcoming news. So let's get into this. I think this was a win from In the Mix like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think so. I forget what books they are. We'll find out. It might be the Ghost Machine books. I think so. You know, always great packaging job. But if you don't know, DJ has a live stream every Friday at 9 p.m. called In the Mix. So make sure you come kick it with him and stick around with him, but not me. You come kick it with me. So let's get this out of here. Sorry, he's got a lot of pull tabs, so sticky. Okay, boom. So yeah, and I don't want to mess this up. I've showed these before, but this is Redcoat, Rook, and Geiger from Ghost Machine. They're number 1s. These are the connecting covers. And which way do they go? They go this way. I'm not going to be able to show them, but like that. But I already have these. I actually have like 2 or 3 sets of these, plus the A covers. And then I'm getting the second prints as well, because you know, you got to rep that Ghost Machine. If you haven't read it, make sure you go check these out. But this is going right back out into the community. I know my buddy Tony actually hasn't read any of these. So I already got 1 going out to Cat Fan. I got 1 going to Joseph. And now these 3 bad boys are going to Tony over at Comicverse. So that way he can enjoy these, because at the end of the day, I like to get good books in the hand of readers that absolutely deserve them. And if you haven't read Rook, Geiger, or Ghost Machine, I highly recommend it. So make sure you go follow DJ, Austin on IG, Comics Curing Cancer, Rob Fatsacks, Legion of Comics for anything. This is absolutely epic, and I love you boys to death. And I can't wait to meet all the legends at Heroes Con. So I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to get out of here, a little bit of a shorter one. Make sure you hit that pin comment. Sorry, I had to do a real quick little cut, but make sure, like I said, you hit those links, you hit the pin description, you hit the pin comment, and at the end you hit the pin video, and it really means the world to me to show some support. I love you guys to death. I love you like family. It just makes me really happy that you guys support the hobby and support what I'm trying to do, and just trying to be there for you guys. So catch me this Friday at 10:30. I'll be back to get that weekend going with your mental health game, and then we'll be back Sunday with my weekly live stream at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you guys have a fantastic finish to the week. Stay legendary, and as always, I hope you guys find what you're looking for. Thank you.